Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we're going to replace a button for garage door opener by Liftmaster. First thing, we're going to remove the old one. This button has two clips. Now we're going to unscrew this screw totally, remove it. Now it goes up, and that's how you remove the old one. Now we're going to reconnect these two wires. You see the wire with the red tracer goes to red and white goes to white. Tighten it up. Now we're going to reuse the same screw. That's two taps. Remove this white plastic piece. We're going to reuse existing screw and tighten it up. Wire, it's a hole for the wire on top. These two tabs are going on the bottom, and this works. Here's the light. That's how you lock it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.